It's really good. It's like focaccia.
Marami kaming sinasabi doon, mga question, mga tanong, ganyan
Mga
kaso.
question, mga
Oo, ganyan, wala. Hala! Sino nakakatuwa? Ay, to curl, I mean.
Curl.
Yeah, curl.
Not curl. Curl.
Curl.
Curl.
Curl.
Curl.
Curl.
Curl, not curl.
What's up guys? So welcome back na naman sa ating vlog, no? At ngayon nga vlog guys ay mamumukbang pala kami ni Ira at may sasagot kami sa mga question, mga simple question ninyo guys. At ito pala yung na-prepare namin ngayon guys. Ito. So may tatlong pizza kami at hindi kami nag-expect na ganito pala kalaki. So doon kami nag-order sa Pizza Hut. At may dalawang wings din tayo dito. Hindi pa natin nabuksan. At ito yung KitKat, no?
KitKat.
Ha?
KitKat bites.
KitKat bites, yeah. At wings, at ito yung freshly baked. Hindi ko alam, kalimutan ko ito. At, yep. Yan guys. At dito guys, sa kusina natin guys, nagluto din para ako. Kasi hindi ko alam na mag-order pala kami ngayon. Pero ito nagluto tayo ng humba. Ito kasi talagang kainin namin ng ate ko. Guys, tingnan nyo yan guys. Bukal-bukal pa yan. First time ko din pala magluto ng humba guys. Kaya excited tayo kung ano man yung lasa niya. First time natin magluto. Pero try natin guys. At feel ko naman na masarap siya. Kasi amoy pa lang niya, masarap din naman. What's up guys? And come back sa ating vlog. May mga pagkain pala tayo dito guys. Kasi mamukbang tayo.
Yummy.
Habang mag-uusap sa inyo. So, ito yun. May pizza tayo, may wings, syempre may rice para sa atin.
Like this. Rice is like this.
At ito rin guys, masarap ito siya guys. At yeah, 3 cheese toast na guys.
And also KitKat bites.
KitKat. At may humba pala tayo doon guys, pero mamaya natin kainin kasi hindi pa talaga siya luto. Kaya wait time.
So cheesy. It's really good. It's like focaccia kind of bread. I'm really nervous because I didn't expect it to be like cream cheese. Usually the cream cheese here. I don't know if that is over. It's really a lot of cheese.
This is how you use your hands to eat it. Look at. Try push it inside. No, not like that. Put it here and then like that push. So push.
This is really good.
So, hindi namin in-expect guys na ganito sila kaliit. Kasi alam namin na ganito sila kaliit. Bibili namin yung mas malaki, right? If we know that this is so little, we will buy the big one.
Yeah, but I thought. I don't know, I just thought this bigger. Medium or something. It didn't say it's only 4 slices. There's even not even 4 slices, it's so small, it's like a half a slice. It's really good bread. Okay. This is also KitKat bites, and the sauce that it comes with is that kind of like a cinnamon, warm cinnamon sauce. So it's, let's try. I'm excited. It's really buzzed with this one. Every bite is just like, sent from heaven. Yeah, let's try. Let's try one of these here. Actually, also found na part.
Guys. Ito na yung humba na ginawa natin.
That's not so good.
The what? It's not good.
This is really good.
We're gonna check ano yung mga tanong mo, guys.
We're gonna do let's do the new parents tag. Like these questions for new parents that just had a child.
Okay.
What's the best thing about parenting? You can go first.
For me, it's like you can play with your child. You feel that someone want you. Someone want to go to you and smile to you. Because every day, she's starting to know us more. That we are the parents, of course, right? So it's just sweet, guys, that there's someone want to go close to you. Someone try to hold her, she cry, and the moment we take her, she stop.
Yeah.
Really sweet, no? Well, what about you? About parenting? She's waking up.
The best thing for me is that there's just someone always love you. Like someone who will never be mad at you, someone who always happy to see you, someone you feel so loved and wanted and needed, and you have like your own mini best.
So ayun guys, na time-lapse natin guys. Marami kaming sinasabi doon, mga question, mga tanong, ganyan. So tapos na kaming kumain. Ipapakita namin sa inyo na fast forward talaga siya. Hindi namin, akala namin normal siya, pero hindi namin na vlog talaga. So hope guys, nag-enjoy din kayo kahit kunti, kahit short lang talaga yung vlog. Dahil na din sa pag-video natin, na time-lapse natin guys. So ayun, tapos na tayong kumain at see you sa next mukbang natin. Kasalanan niya kasi to. It's her fault guys.
It's my fault.
Hala!
Dansa.
Let me tell them, guys, she know how to walk. I to curl, I mean.
Crawl.
Yeah, curl.
Not curl. Crawl.
Curl.
Crawl.
Curl.
Crawl.
Crawl.
Crawl, not curl. She know how to curl.
Crawl.
Hello. Yeah, come. Come. Hey. Mama. Hey. Ay. Hello. Sikte. Ska vi visa?
Go walk, little baby.
Wow! Ay! Ano? It's fast! Ano? Good girl! Dansa!
Hala. Dansa. Dansa.
Hey, come.
Thank you for watching guys, and please follow our Facebook page guys ha. And goodbye, see you sa next vlog.